Hello everyone, welcome back. Your destination for the latest home decor inspiration. Today we are exploring modern room divider ideas that not only separate spaces but also add beauty, function, and personality to your home. If you have an open layout or a room that feels too plain, these divider ideas will help you create zones while keeping your interior stylish and airy. So let's begin. One of the most trending divider styles right now is the wooden slatted dividers. These vertical or horizontal wood panels create separation without blocking natural light. They give the space a warm, organic look and work well in living rooms, dining areas, or even studios. You can choose natural wood tones for a cozy feel or go for dark walnut or black varnish for a bold modern vibe. If you want something sleek and contemporary, metal and glass partitions are an excellent choice. They divide areas while maintaining openness. The black metal frame combined with clear or frosted glass instantly gives a classy, industrial, modern feel. These are great especially between the kitchen and living area as they help control smells while keeping the space visually connected. For small apartments or contemporary rooms, separation curtains or fabric panels are affordable and practical. They give softness and movement to the interior and can easily be opened or closed based on privacy needs. Choose neutral or solid colors for a minimal look or patterned fabric to add visual interest. If you want both a divider or extra storage, open shelving is the perfect solution. These shelves allow you to display decor pieces, plant, books, or photos frames while dividing the room. The open structure keeps the view flowing, avoiding a boxed-in feeling. It's most commonly used between living and dining spaces to create a stylish visual separation. Laser-cut PVC or MDF panels come in beautiful geometrics and floral patterns. These are lightweight, durable, and easy to install. These decorative panels instantly add an artistic touch, especially when paired with black lighting. You can use them in small entryway or to add privacy to a staircase area. For natural lovers, plant dividers are a fantastic option. You can use vertical planters, indoor climbers, or a series of potted plants on floating shelves to create a refreshing green partition. This idea not only divides spaces but also purifies air and brings calmness into your home. It works wonderfully in apartments and compact living spaces. If you need flexibility between open and private spaces, sliding room dividers, doors made of wood, glass, or acrylics are a game changer. They allow you to open up the room when needed and close it for privacy. Perfect for home, offices, bedrooms, or prayer area. Modern room dividers are not just functional, they enhance the beauty, depth, and character of an interior. Whether your style is minimal, natural, artistic, or bold, there's a divider idea that fits perfectly into your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Catalog for more home decor inspiration, and comment below which divider idea you like the most. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.